Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are in the best of your spirits and are preparing for your MA English exams. Today, I am here with the topic of literary criticism and theory of MEG 5, that is Foucault's theory of discourse. Stay tuned till the end of the video and you will be able to revise this topic from MEG 5 in an easier way. So, we shall begin now. Question is, what are the Foucault's view on discourse and power? Explain. Foucault's theory of discourse. Discourse refers to constituting knowledge together with the social practices, forms of subjectivity and power relations. Discourses are more than ways of thinking and producing meaning. They contribute the nature of the body, unconscious and conscious mind, and emotional life of the subject they seek to govern. Foucault's theory of power. According to Foucault's understanding, power is based on knowledge and makes use of knowledge. On the other hand, power produces knowledge by shaping it in accordance with its anonymous intentions. Power recreates its own field of exercise through knowledge. How is power related to discourse? The discourse of power is used when it comes to differentiating the levels of power due to cultural and social characteristics that come about through societal upbringing. The way we think and talk about a subject influence and reflect the ways we act in relation to that subject. What are the two main type of power according to Foucault? Foucault's analysis tells us that disciplinary power is executed through mechanisms that are different from the mechanism of sovereign power. For example, sovereign power is exercised through the physical punishment and rewards. Disciplinary power, on the other hand, is exercised through surveillance and knowledge. We shall talk about Michel Foucault. He was born on 15th October 1926 and died on 25th June 1984. He was French philosopher, social theorist and literary critic. He died at the age of 57 in Paris, France. He was BA, MA. His notable work were Madness and Civilization in 1961 and The Order of Things in 1966. His era was 20th century. Foucault's theory primarily addresses the relationship between the power and knowledge and how they are used as a form of social control through societal institutions. He was born in France into an upper middle class family. From 1966 to 1968, he lectured at the University of Tunis before returning to France, where he became head of the philosophy department at the new experimental University of Paris 8. He died in Paris from complications of HIV/AIDS. He became the first public figure in France to die from complication of this disease. His partner Daniel Defoe founded the AIDS charity in his memory. Foucault's view on discourse and power. A brief summary. Foucault looked at discourse as a precursor to understanding system of representation. Discourse would simply means textual passages connected by writing or speech. Discourse means you have a range of statements that provide a language with a way of talking about something. It provides a language with the way of representing knowledge about a particular subject matter at a particular given historical juncture. For Foucault, discourse was both language and practice. It is about the production of knowledge through language, that there are rules and practices that produce meaningful statements and that regulate in particular historical periods. Discourse constructs the topic, it defines and produces the object of our knowledge. These three concepts are interrelated: power, self, and knowledge. Power. It is the way of influencing some of these actions that a pretty simple takeaway from Foucault's work. In his early work, it was interesting how power was used to control people. Power is everywhere, everybody has some power, although not in equal amounts. Power is the ability of a person to influence others for his own purpose. Luke 1973. Critical perspective on discourse and power. A number of criticisms have been made on discourse and power. Skekloff 1997 says that analysis should produce description on text, then critical analysis be conducted as there are chances that bias may be produced. And with this, our video has come to an end. I believe that you all have easily understood the topic. Please like, share and comment on the video and subscribe the channel for more details. Thank you and have a nice day.